Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Na the heart. Osari back by Osari. Osari. God does not look outward, He look inward. You feel me? Why humans look outwards? Ah, this guy is too handsome, this guy is too beautiful. God only look that one. My God. You the top the praise women, carry wear cap, wear for sale cap. The top and the end today where your life. Where your corner, where you for go end down. Where you for go end your life today. Now one single mother where they frustrate you for hours there. You get wife and children for journey. You know if you balance yourself, live very, very nice. Who go you believe same person like me go get 2 children for German. For 2 children for journey here with this one. As I get sense rich, I'll come the zoo they follow one person for social media. You, your children, your wife, would not be 4. You don't really get team for your program. You don't get team. You will get your manager. Your wife will be your manager. Your children, everybody they will get position. Gradually, you catch them young. You they jump, they follow single mother house. They look for their money, they pay them.
Nice.
They go, they feel they take. One could they build scrap house where they build for Nigeria. What do I go? We are with Baba with the smile one. Where they use my brain they hot 247 for inside system. With this breed, you let them say they cool down on the dish like 3 hours. You just let me I'm at the same class. And one no mommy and young one why say and all the lifestyle one of the live a native daughter lifestyle or juju lifestyle. When you depend on Joanne too much, you will end up look frustrated and wretched. What take care of back today? Now too much of ojuju. One person too they into courtesan, different courtesan. Asak bekan, asak bottom, asak bobo, asak pipi, oyiyo, mojiba, majaku, majasa, all those kind low life mentality when our forefather lives. Where today we still they suffer. Instead of not to upgrade my head, to upgrade. How many of you days that sakboko sakbaka will be billionaire, no day? Will be billionaire, trillionaires, no day. And then to the keep out, they keep chicken, they smell up and down, they chop chicken, they chop those normal dirty things. At your age, as young as you are, they grant yourself to be 50-something years, 40-something years. I'm not drag any age with now. I'm not a drag, I'm not a drag with me, not my family. This shirt, if I die, this shirt we are wearing, so you know go size you, and my son they will give out. You understand me? So nothing about me will go feel entire your body. So what do you need a drag? You my fans are your fans are my fans. The same fans when you come here, they press I like you, right down, right? They go see which way they cost, they go see they say amen. That's what it be. That's social media for you. People are too daft. What people not get sense. My God. If you go at Ajebo online video now, the same people where they watch will still go there. They will see the fire Frank there. Fire answer. You are right, sir. You are right, sir. If I still on the fire Ajebo and the fire Enogie, they will still come. Fire answer. Fire answer. You're right. Now the phone will be that one. Now the when I not get sense, not too dull to my liking. Or not wise. Not too dull to my liking. Lola go there life now, they go to fire me. All of France go there, they go to check. Carry on, sir. If I there now, they beat Messi where they beat Lolo. All of the fans will come here, go to send me, say, oh, where's man? Party on, sir. Party on, sir. Now, phone be that one. My fans, now your fans. Your fans, now my fans. My enemy, now your enemy. Your enemy, now my enemy. Then they rotate. Oh, with that way they fool ourselves. I don't get sense. No, who are really muere the bottle. When I say muere the bottle, I'm be. Now the fans, the callers, the live, the commenters, now they give you a moral. They make you the fool yourself the more. You know the reason why you people are not genuine. You're not doing it for real. You're doing it for your selfish interest. You understand? You are doing it for yourself. You will not just get sense. I think they on fake account now. I go say they insult myself for years. As I do so, I will use my. I say no man Frank video na mugu. Best you go still follow me for the comment section. You are right, my brother. That guy na really fool. And na me be the person. I just say men's okay. That the fake account. I go fire you there. For your mind, you go to get hope. Say you get fans. You get fans. Us working bros. You see, if you people are really matured, really aged, that age when they are this so 40, 50, 70 years when they are this one and when they behave like animals like this, it's better they come 15 years, get sense like this person. If I did 15 years, I get sense way past on my own like this. I don't want to pray to be like me. When I go pray, when I come tap for my head, when I get this kind of sense, I'm gonna bring on age, when I come to this kind of age where I do so. Because if na this kind of age, or 34 years, 35 years, but person go fit day, go get this kind of sense. At least one will be happy. Also, working here, the only brain, the only mentality when I get now to deceive all these innocent women, collect their money, they go to do one thing for Nigeria. See, at the end you come see be traditional man under the influence of women money. So you be traditional man. When men, really traditional men, take care of their wives. Now our own traditional man, we are the traditional man who women take care of. Now don't they divert the tradition. Now listen to me traditional. Who goes go and walk no way. Bring paper come. They pursue one for them. He said like so big people because he doesn't say all his squad who are still the same people, the same Monica squad. They say all his squad, they don't succeed. They never go Lagos. They never go Lagos. And after set up done, what you go ender? Una go still spend una your own money when you know if you give your money was so dirty and wretched in Nigeria for the savior. So if the way, I don't imagine, if the way me go, so I see your mama, my own fans went to Nigeria, go look for your mama house. Now here I give her the address. Number 4 Go Street. I give your address, come out. They go look for your mama address. As I call okay, my man send me the video. They call it, as I send me the movie, I'll come post your mama video. You know, does it not make sense? Why your man don't know say that the video now? Who go there? You don't know say that the video now. I can go post the video for social media. If now you who go get that kind of opportunity when we get to disgrace you the more, you go do it. You go do it. You carry your man come at me, your man put to for ground, make the pot blood put. You the carry camera the video and you go post them for social media. Okay. Say woman, use blood for me. You just not to start the see blood. This eye is about highway white. Virgin blood never fit do me anything. Not of igwe blood. Blood where you matter to do igwe. Don't even do fornication. Woman where you get man for her, they sleep with your husband best friend. Now abroad for the scene. Una go see people back what this man keep quiet, me they respect women. Woman get husband for her, they sleep with your husband best friend before your husband go Italy, go do paper come back. For this sanitarian Italy document they do for Italy. Different 4 guys in your husband. Friends, squad, whip him before you reach Ugoton. Ugo, you and you also know your husband. You still carry the woman at and the husband are the same courtesy with you. They whip your own guy, man, your own blood, your aruba. They whip your woman. You give her belly. You give her belly. As a presenter, the man come, one can take over in your own wife. What are you supposed to do? If you are really a live video presenter, a motivational speaker, are you not supposed to settle the dispute between that woman and that man? Instead, you join the woman and pursue the man. Because because they sweet you. Because they see the benefits when they come from the woman and the woman will get out of giving. You see, you're not in life. When I think some people when they watch you, they don't get sense. Look, this award, when you see so, your best friend, where I never see face to face. Now you do this award, give me the award. I never see him face to face. You don't do things with this guy with this award. You don't act movie with him. You don't eat with him. You know a house. You don't go in house. You don't go your house. You do award, 10 good awards. Give me one inside. No one rich. You two of on hand who go. You who go. And the so-called Enogie. No one rich in your hand. Your best friend. If you be picking with get sense, only this award alone will tell you that your way to the world is not clear. If your best friend could see you, not classify you as a normal human being. If your best friend could see you, not look at you that you didn't deserve a word from him. My brother, you go check yourself. Not to come out on media to destroy this guy's handwork. You're supposed to go in there and check yourself. Say, for this guy, now he bid. He they give you bid. Now he bid. Now they do a costume for a movie. But when you want to share awards to the live video presenters for throughout the years, none of your names comes out of it. It should be a good example for you to know that you change your way, because now your way will make people look you well. Or when if you are doing your thing well, people are there that are not commenting. They are watching you. They know who is doing it for real. They know who knows what he's doing. Who is saying the truth. Who is just doing it for fun. You know. See, make I tell you one thing. You who go and Enogie. One thing we don't know. You be gamma, how's that what they talk to us? So one thing we don't know. Don't think saying only people did this abroad. Let me look us. I can remember when I was talking to my friend yesterday, I talked to my friend yesterday. You get place where you go yesterday for Bini. For now, they go party. He said, he come say Frank. He said, what time now? He said, now one of the toy, me they only talk matter. They laugh when your kid. That guy will talk say Akure. He said, I want to talk. I call the laugh. Oh, my brother, we know I want. I know when I make my way. I say, they Bini like they tell me so. He said, in your do like say don't know me. When you matter, we make you talk your matter there. That's to let you know so people with the house they watch us. That's why I tell you just not be who having a business so could you una news and see if you could say well no why all this atrocity that is following you, all this atrocity not doing away. Are we make video to any you make video to on my video so what tell when no my be two flat, my be one flat. Where you be foundation, where you setting, where you view block lily meter. When you are thinking moving on here, wow, show me. Do why wala we are working on your Germany. Do whatever wala company caterpillar in Nigeria na ajebo. We are you work bobia winning. Eru obo why team well like obo. Ogo no me well like obo. Una ya yin nupo. Wo yele ha wane aparo eku. Una ya mu e kinye komo ayin nupo. You ye ya mu ya go ye dogun. Dem no tabe ye do. Dem no we ni ya masowe. Ni me ya masowe amu yori mo ele. Ajebo ni me ya masowe. Me no ya mimi. Me no ya bokakire ni we na do genu de. Wado da we obi bokakire na. Ni me ya masowe amu yori mo ele. Me na okwa ti la dire we bono mo bo gbegbe we yen na ha wa ni me na no ri wi nupo ya gbe kayiwe. Wi yen ha wa ni me na no ri wi nupo no ya gbe kayiwe. E sunu. O wonu we sinyo se re na. Iyen mi we ya bere ku na fie ni. Zero pe a. Ko ma gbo pe na yo ma se ma la. No ya gi na we yegbe. Ke o le kita ro yore le gbe ni. E u go le ba Enogie. Enogie u go ke nu wa to wa ewe. Why how I can be? You understand? A ye way kale. Emana we magmo. Odo wa ke were. Una ori egi. E bo pada yi. Ah bo wani ke kan jamu yo wa. E ye atamu wa. We nu wani kwa ni. E won wasaka. We no yo bad dog bad of the vie. You understand now? Why wa ya wo. O ko ya gbe agamu for many years. Wo no. E ko de no mu egwe. Egwe na wo ye gbo. Eko hoye. If you are going to yamu yoga, no book be in Nigeria. Okay. You got a remwe like flat ya dear webu. Ona you see ikpaku he coke. Ikpaku he big abiano ya coke. Kin come over. And after that after a bella of body, una one your Benin traditional man. Una one your igbe abiawe. No, be are go your moon. No, be are here your body the webu. You go your then I go on am I dissolve marriage ni. O no whatever. Benin traditional now. Oko na wanda magbe oko na wanda. Uga aso na fie we. Ogbe ara wan magbe. They will come away. In one ni wa asu ne dede. Woko na wanda magbe oko na wanda. Oga su gboriyan. Oga se bedo de lori e. Oko na wanda magbe oko na wanda. Ajebo se gbo na fie we. Ogbe ara wan oko magbe o aderiye ki na. E mo ti enu e. Iwon la o da won na ki won deriye ki. Won deriye ki. Oko na won magbe oko na won oko. Omi ere de magbe to ko na ma to ga ri ra e ne. U de ko na zo wa. Ka bo ya pe won ni ege. Iwe so le gbowe. We on we ya pepe atiti. O ma ki ya deriye ki. E de re mo pade gbo efo. Wo le gbi ibi e do ni en gbi. Ne gbi ko o re do ni en gbi because won ni mo aya ti en ko ni ro wodo. E do ya ti en pe ni ro wo.
Okay.
Ajebo o pe ana won na apegbe ara mi.
Okay.
Apegbe ara mi. To ta ye wa o tu muse. Omo mebo. O muse tefise. Aka kinye bo kya kinye we. Uyena shatabondo. Shatabondo of Ghana been my country no. Wo bote kuteku ye ba. Uyasi le wasi le scafish ye. O wu agboyi. Ko mo mi no ti ni gbo ma. We agi opia no ruwo ni ruwo ve. Oh you papa ni la you papa nego. Oh you papa ni la you papa nego no han ko egbe mo. Oni atiti. Oni okpe no hoso. Oruwo ni oruwo ve. Ebo arire oh you papa ni la you papa nego. We had to argue we already say class waye. The same person will borrow ego. A ticket to near your door. The same man will borrow ego. The same man will you will man live I don't way. Una nahara. Na live na ina nya.
Nine.
E we do afil like we live video. But bo mu yuwa o. Iju we ya this virgin eta ma woni. Ko we kele gbemi a o. Iju ya agbe yo yi. E joke. Imana we baba gbe we yi. Okay man na me gbogodo o yan. Davi o mena. You are my stepson. Ya we ya gbogo you o. Ya ka me gbo ni ya gbogo you o. You understand?
Okay.
Let's call a spade a space. Let me talk to ourselves as a Benin man. Ya go gbegbo. And I roll no le ri mo no ge jagun. Ya san bo my gbe.
Okay.
Na no koko na koko wa. Na no won ara ye wa. Ogbon gbaze. Ajebo. Adazo ma sisi. Enogie. Na ria lati ye wa. La ria kan. Are kan ti ni ba. I can't tell you be Western Union. If I bola we win na. Ajebo we win. E karo what for the pia. Organic cream for the we win na. Oh, ha drag cream. Won ya bleach. Bleachy family. Bleachy family. We win na. We win na. They are no give okay. Enogie ha bleach. Wa bleach. Omo wa da bi wa bleach eh. Why imagine the kind of lifestyle we live? What do you people have to present? What are you present to the people? Now look, a monkey face no what you're about. Monkey face have warned you people in the court law of Germany. And you people are giving a lot of strife to pay it, or you go to prison. You keep quiet, you didn't say it. Umatola the same people come out and say, only who not done your body, only your body, only who not be color, only who not be color, only no area and you know your come back, no area your home. Edu, let's want to tell you. It was a tally Umenmwan. No area your home, no area your home. I can't go home about Samuel Burwell, that's what we are.
Okay.
Emma Maji, Vamo with your key. Emma Viji, Vamo de Romasigo. Ajebo, Unuana here, Unuena Manao go back, Unuema now your off here. Unuena, Emma, I hear live video. Unuena Manao walk by you. No, ya deceive women. Why what a bemu? What a unoke guabarina, unoke guamatorina, unoke now, unama giveaway. Unama giveaway. Una tell a live video. Very many those so very well. By this year, now why will you a Bible when you do it? If you don't know some, if you do diaspora, you know, say, you know, unoke guabarina, Eri manga lo khawe no hinkwa. Wa azua. Gwe no wa howa. Gwe no muje do buto. Aga mwe bon, mwe benu weti. Aga mwe benu weti. What did you have to say? What didn't yata? When all the yatori yahuna. When not certain kaune. Where we not been with you? Where I beg for forgiveness. You have sinned against the ancestors, you have sinned against humanity. By asking your own wife with pregnancy to go to road work for prostitution. Why do I go in life with you? Then what about it? I'm aware. Mama we no kuna. This why, and it's not a joke. Okado no. Kata me yowa last year. Kata me yowa last year. Ofane jomu weni. Nya mwe yo oniri. Ozi nyi we ma. Ofane jomu we. Iyowa. Iknya bokpa ma wesi. Iyowa. Iknya bokpa e ma wesi. Iyowa. Iknya bokpa e woni no. Oga gba bisene e bo ritine. Iyowa review. E ma oni so anso anywhere. Wene ya gbe topic ge wan. O ma ni gbegbo sigmo. E ma de bo an ka. That about this man. Adanegbe or siemere. Idanu ese ne o, iyowa. Idanu ese ne. O ina bolu. Ajebo la le wan wo. Ajebo la re go osun wo. Wo ke Vivian wa sun wo. Vivian mu o wa ya mu o deria. O dera gbo. O dera gbo. O salo bo ma Ghana. Eye pe mu na ore. O salo bo eye pe mu na ore. E glory. O ka ke glory ya go. Glory, oh yeah, glory, glory, sambo, glory. The ego of Maria, Aria, Doho, the Glo, Ube Beloy woman, who are Yanoi, who total, who Vakara, who are Yanoi. Because why? Oh, Salo Black Binanu, when they were man. Ajebo, or four for Coco, Igamagia de Reno. Or four for Coco, Igamagia de Re, Ajebo so would be. Or Talop. Oh, Italic belly, man. Even Udagat Moen, you see your life. It be an amoa or cotonezy being, you know, soon dining. Benazi being. All I mean, as you bay, as a man. Let me tell you, I just about total go to one because you lack of wisdom. Let me diagnose you with little wisdom. All in your life, you know, as you bay. Especially when it comes to life partner. When you involve life partner, you look well before you step in. You look very well before you step in. Era mo ya akpita ma owo mem na no yewe. Owo ko mana bie no e. O mana ye bie wo ye honu yi, honu mu yo wo ye honu yi. Owo ye yo ko na ka bie no ka ya bo yo na baba ya o. Unica marriage ne. Unica marriage ne ko ke bie. Okay. Ba ma ha do ni se o want na we. Ada we oje bodo make na nwa. Ina gele yawe marriage. Okay. Na mo go yo wo. Amogo yo wo na so asale ko. E ko na regba. E ya wo ga ya wo. O ko na bie. O go ga bie, o ga bie mo ko. O ma ye ko nuri yewa. O ga bie mo pe a. E wa kan na ko nuri yewa. Una bie, ona bie mo pe a. O ni ha we no di. No nya hu, no nya to. E wa ko na the real biniguma. Wa ko na ko nuri yewa. Do ko no manu. Do ko ne manu. E wa no nya na me. Do ko no ka ke kin na re. O le ba po to po ku ka hewe. O ara wo dafme ya menu ya ko. Do to tan nuri ba e. Ra ko no are no ya ba ya wo se nya yo sa mo le mu de ya nya ni nye. Ko ari ko sa la wa bi mo bia le. E wa ko na do he. Gayahu, or soon in our hand. And when a baba tammy, meme, timmy, ya, you do. A day you got you, tana, half away, boo, do. Not those years when you're a tamam. I want to agree. Zabu Nimi Sony got the head of our that's relationship. Abi bien moi bien ben bien. Hein? Et moi au wena fi me dire. He go wena okay. As a man of wisdom.
Okay.
You know if you go with you understand? When I mean I'm a mistake, I'm a solution. Solution must come. Ajabo. Now, oh no mu eke we bori. Yes, the farm mu eke Nigeria ajewe. I mean to say, mu eke Nigeria ajewe. Mama we life we or before that woman brought you, you yourself know too well where everything was not with clear eye. Ajabo, you know. Everything was not with clear eye. You know, the relationship between you and that woman those years. You know, Ajabo. When you boy go Ajabo come. Ajabo. A punishment in you can't use your mouth talking about what this man is going to tell you. I'm going to tell the world what you pass through. Glory dates you. Una date una leave each other before glory enter abroad. Immediately you hear say glory enter abroad, bang G. Ajabo na so contact glory. Ajabo na so anlo eboni glory. Ajabo ga awe boni glory.
Nine.
Ni glory ya mu na popo. Gidi get ya. E glory na. E glory ma ya ya fo Ajabo aje webo. No be say na lapa o. Na flight. Na ki ogbe. Na gara glory ma ewu ne gbe o ma yo wo ma bo wa. O ma mo ti on palo na ko wa mo Ajabo ade zin.
Okay.
Let's assume it was love. But we all know the story.
Oh my God.
As my business, we get boy amwe.
Okay.
The repercussion of what we do, I hope facing now. Ona mo glory na mo la wo gbun. Glory mo la wo na a glory in Africa shop. You frustrate. And when you Spain ya in sana. You frustrated glory from number nonsense. Ajabo is a gambler before ke la webo. We all know. That gambler, you know. That character, he brought it to Europe. Ajabo awa mi go ring road or the Kanafi gamble. Or the pool office. Or even Sewebo, the same attitude. You go to hold your hand now. You go to hold your hand. On your Africa should be a gamble. The reason why glory bounced back to Enogie, he frustrated glory from A to Z. On your Africa should be a gamble. On your Ajabo. Oh, say no way we bubi na we. Nine yo woku. Ma woku na gba oyan dun han. Iga ewu yin mo re ma gbe owo me o. Iga oko iye ko meko. E ma wari okwe kwere. Ajabo, we na ti ri okwe. Okwe ni ma wari okwe. Ari okwe, we no enjoy, very enjoy. That do na kyoge. So kuma ye ma ye ti zin. Owo ti yan wari, yan re suta. Me do ge we no, on any by yan suta. We are not compatible. Earlier the better. Ewo mo alai ni. You understand? Earlier the better. Mama si egbe aye. Ono so asukian. Now, we the man there kisi go modal. Imagine we no po. Mo na sabe na jebo. Ogu we na ya kisi go modal. We na we ge mu no po bai. Kiyen komo yan agba gbigbe aganu. Kiyen komo. Ajebo, you are a wicked man. But you when I allow your own blood because of your own blood, you get that courage to that extent of putting your own daughter into a vehicle, convey your daughter and the mother to road work for prostitution. The wickedness to the highest level. If not for the woman, at least because of the child, you will see 10 promises with justice. Where we can make total you bargain. Una amuya ifa yupu.
Okay.
No, you we are remote over here. Ibu ga sale kayo kan Joshua. Omo ga le yore we always of that so we no kan do mwene. E mwene bo yibo pin ni mwene bo munu yi ni ya fin ni bupu. Because if work okay. Uya ke gbe ke oko e o ka wi mu la jan wi mu la jan. Wa na manika we hozo ni ya wi mu la jan. Ya mu ye wonu. We ga fin mwene yibo pin e ke wa mu gba. It's work avec Bob, we pose ou SOP. There is way, so what's back condon your way, you know, the way. Time back, time was so. you can see you walk. And we are Ikebe glory. We are working. Hi, Ajebo, Ugele Zua. When I see a book with your eye, oh, when I ta while you don't see a glory, eh? Not Carlo or a big glory. I have with Vivian. Not Carlo, if Vivian a Kibina. If Vivian, oh, Kibi, Farafara, and I'm way back. Vivian a Kibi. A big glory, eh? A Kebe glory extra, Magnificent in the Solova Gagakwa. Aya kun Vivian. Uga mi Kebe glory. Ukbelo we kin edun ya we kiano. Ukbelo we kin edun bo mi Kebe glory. Un ya we kiano. E glory all balance, not a figure eight. All balance, no ya balance ya soku. All balance diet wa Kebe. Kebe oni osun alele. Ikebe glory bi a we da ha wo ba meji, we na sa we va mi na. Ezizanu mo pe. Ya o no. Abo ye we vi oy. E Kebe glory ga. Ajebona yesiti si gboko dia hundigo ona si aye ona le fry pan yansh fry pan no you kebe fara na mo magbodo ona le hundigo because all ya yukbu you are just looking for we have to get money here get money here get money here get money la rejebo everywhere salary vian idajebo gere ajebo Nadia, Ajebo Mamuelo. Egbe ya na meri come on. Ya agbo e. Be wa agbo nu we di bere na do we se di bere. Won ka agbo e before igbo no so ajebo kan we. E wo kan we ga jo. You say blast. No my driver we. We clean agbo se bo so abi kan. Motor, what are you can? Now me they condition you. Is that boy last time? When I saw one year work, when I say eyelash. If I beat you this time, now don't they chop food now. Not believe food you go chop. If I go beat you to the yes, you go to chop sand. Where you go call where?